Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Multiplication Kits is probably one of the most crucial educational tools parents can invest in, transforming the often daunting task of learning times tables into an exciting adventure for young minds, fostering a strong mathematical foundation that will benefit them throughout their academic journey and beyond, making early math education both effective and enjoyable. Number 5. Star Right Math Flashcard Set. Introduce your child to the world of numbers with ease. These cards are perfect for teaching addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, building essential skills from 1st to 4th grade. Each card features 2 equations, providing double the practice for young learners. The answers are conveniently located on the back, allowing for quick self-correction and improved understanding. Designed for convenience, they are hole-punched and come with metal rings for easy organization. Color-coded borders also make sorting and storing a breeze, keeping everything tidy. This comprehensive set includes 52 cards for each of the 4 operations, totaling 208 cards. It also comes with 4 metal rings, ensuring all your math practice is well structured. They combine fun with education, stimulating creativity while developing crucial math skills. These are ideal for children practicing basic math concepts, whether at home or in school. What we like? This comprehensive set covers all 4 basic operations. If you're looking for a versatile tool to teach multiple math skills, this is an excellent choice. Its color coding and rings make organization a breeze for busy parents and teachers. What people say. Number 4. Quercetti Tubo Multiplication, Interactive Math Toy. Kids can turn the knobs to discover multiplication and division solutions. This interactive method reinforces number skills, making math more engaging and enjoyable. It encourages independent learning through playful exploration of math equations. This boosts confidence and makes practicing essential math concepts enjoyable. This compact, lightweight, and durable toy is perfect for on-the-go learning. Your child can keep their math skills sharp anytime, anywhere, whether in the car or at school. It supports logical reasoning, problem-solving, and numerical fluency. This transforms math into an exciting, hands-on adventure that kids can truly enjoy. Proudly made in Italy, it's built with long-lasting, child-safe materials. This ensures years of engaging learning fun, designed to withstand endless play sessions. What we like? This unique toy offers a tactile, hands-on approach to learning multiplication and division. If your child thrives with interactive physical engagement, this will make math enjoyable. Its compact and durable design is perfect for learning on the go, making it a great travel companion. What people say. Number 3. Think Tank Scholar Award-winning Math Flashcards. Introducing the Think Tank Scholar Math Flashcards. These comprehensive cards cover 600 essential facts across addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, making learning fundamental math skills simple and effective. Learning math doesn't have to be a chore. This set includes 20 engaging games and 24 teaching methods, transforming practice into an exciting adventure for young learners. Recognized for excellence, these flashcards have won 6 prestigious awards. They are proudly approved by both educators and parents, ensuring a high-quality learning experience for your child. Crafted for durability, they feature bold, large print with problems on one side and solutions on the other. Their color-coded design and rounded corners make sorting and targeted practice a breeze. Whether for classroom use, homeschooling, or as a thoughtful gift, these cards are perfect for grades 1 to 6. They help children master math concepts and build confidence, making them an ideal present for any occasion. Developed by a U.S. company owned by parents in California, these products are reviewed by local U.S. teachers. They are proudly designed to support children's education. What we like? This extensive flashcard set boasts an impressive number of facts and has received multiple awards for its educational value. If you need a comprehensive resource with structured teaching methods and fun games, this is designed for thorough mastery. Its premium quality and thoughtful design ensure a robust learning experience. What people say. Number 2. Math Fidget Spinners for Multiplication and Division. Transform math practice into a fun experience with these vibrant fidget spinners. They make mastering multiplication and division enjoyable for students and adults alike. Spin your way to a relaxed learning atmosphere. Not only do they help alleviate stress, but they also bring unprecedented excitement to math education, turning questions into entertaining challenges. These compact math fidget spinners are designed for adults to enjoy learning anywhere and anytime. They easily fit into pencil cases, backpacks, or pockets, making them perfect for home, car, or school. Looking for an excellent gift? They are ideal for adults, friends, or as a party favor. They make fantastic classroom rewards, perfect for treasure boxes, or as a thoughtful back-to-school present. Each package includes 9 pieces of these engaging math fidget toys. If you have any questions or problems, please contact us for prompt assistance. What we like? This innovative product combines learning with a popular fidget toy, making math practice engaging and stress-reducing. If your child benefits from sensory input or needs a fun way to relieve anxiety while learning, this is a perfect fit. The pack of 9 makes it ideal for classroom prizes or sharing with friends. What people say. Number 1. Think Tank Scholar Multiplication Flashcards. Introducing an award-winning set designed for grades 2 to 6. These 173 jumbo cards cover all multiplication facts from 0 to 12, plus bonus facts. They make learning essential math skills engaging and effective for young students. These premium, jumbo-sized cards are perfect for little hands. Each one features a unique visual aid and color-coded multiplicans to help children grasp multiplication concepts easily. They provide a clear and intuitive way to learn. Beyond the cards, this set includes 5 effective teaching methods and 5 fun games. It also comes with a full multiplication chart for quick reference. These resources ensure a comprehensive and enjoyable learning experience. An exclusive tab system helps adults track mastered versus unmastered facts. Each card has rounded corners for easy sorting and is made from high-quality, laminated stock. They come in an extra sturdy box for convenient storage. These educator and parent-approved flashcards have won over 6 prestigious awards. They are recognized for their excellence in helping children aged 7 to 10 learn math. Trust in a product celebrated by experts and families alike. Developed by a U.S. company owned by parents in California, these cards are crafted with care. Local U.S. teachers contribute to their development and review. They are proudly designed in Los Angeles, ensuring quality and educational value. What we like? This specialized set focuses solely on multiplication with large, easy-to-read cards and unique visual aids. If you are specifically targeting multiplication mastery and appreciate visual learning, this product is highly effective. Its exclusive tab system helps track progress, making it simple to identify and focus on unmastered facts. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted as requested. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.